So, napakaraming detalye na po kami na pag-usapan, which is really very helpful for us as we prepare to take over meeting. So, pag-usapan ko ng staffing, pag-usapan namin yung budget, even mga many details na ano ba mga pagmamayari ng items na OVP property sa Coconut Palace, especially considering the rules on this that we should consider to take with us when we're moving for our homes. So, napaka-detalyado po yung meeting, which is very helpful as we prepare for the start of 26 yung co-terminals, and then I think we're looking at other items, may consultant basis, etc. So, ito po, kailangan namin lang ulit mag-aralan ng mas mabuti. Marami yung detalye pinaliwanag sa amin ngayon. So, we have to go back to the drawing board in terms of the project. Ang pinakamahalagang guidance dito is yung vision ng VP Electo Pedro sa gusto niyang maging papel na gagampan ng Office of the Vice President. So we really try to bring in as many as we can, which is allowed more possible given the number of items and the budget of the office. But at the same time, this is really an opportunity to maximize the help of the stakeholders, to be able to partner with as many stakeholders as we can to complement what we can officially do as well.